welcome back to my channel. My name is Emily and this is my natural everyday makeup. This is all drugstore, literally only takes me 5 minutes and it is so simple. This is the makeup look I do when I don't want to wear a full face of makeup and I just want a light wearable look. First thing, I quick cleanse my face with whatever I have left of this Micellar water. As you can tell, I'm using literally the last of what I have left.
Even now I visit every single place we've been. All the time we spent together changed me. I stay high on the days before we said goodbye. I'm regretting these feels I feel for you.
So this look concentrates mainly on the brows. Essentially, it's a look where we just accentuate what we already have. We ain't trying to fake anything. We're going for a really natural look. I'm using my favorite eyebrow retractable. This is Soap & Glory's Brow Archery in Brownie Points. I'm actually using the lighter shade than what I would usually use so I can create more of a softer brow look. So as you can see, I'm just going along with my natural eyebrow shape and I'm just filling in the sparse areas so they look more thick and full and basically there, because my eyebrows are there but they ain't there at the same time.
They say what happens happens for a reason. Then why am I stuck without you by my side? I get high just thinking about our memories. And even though it ended, it was worth each pain. The love we had will last 100 centuries. You were special to me, I keep you tucked inside. No regretting these feels I feel for you. I'm asking why did we fall from love?
For my eyes, I just wanted to make them look a little bigger, so I'm just going to go in with a little bit of eyeshadow. Sometimes I even just use what's left over of my makeup brush, but I just go in with a soft, dark, warm toned eyeshadow, and I usually go in with a dark purple color, and I put this on the outer corner of my eyes just to make them look softer and bigger.
You do to me what I know I do to you. Let's get high.
As for the lips, I just use a tinted lip balm, something moisturizing but very similar in color to my lip, giving it some slight color.
From love, and I get high off the time.
And that is it for this look. It's a very quick and simple makeup look. It's very natural. Essentially, it's a no makeup look. Hope you guys enjoyed this video. I'll see you guys in my next one. Bye.
And I get high.